Good afternoon, everyone. This is Serena Loudon with All City Homes, and I am here at my new listing in Lodi having an open house. Now, follow me, and I'm going to take you on a tour of this lovely home. It's actually super duper cute. Here is the front entrance, right here. There we go. 2526 Park West Drive in Lodi. I will be here today from 11 until 2 o'clock. Nicely manicured yard. Follow me inside. Here it is. Formal living room. Could be also formal living room, dining room. Okay. Let's walk in here. Here's the kitchen area. This is so well maintained. It's such a cute home. Let's go over here to the kitchen. We have an updated kitchen sink, updated cabinets, upgraded appliances, and we even have snickerdoodle cookies. I've had 3. They're so good. Around now to the family room. And I've got some country music going on. I like it. Let's head out to the backyard since we're on this side of the house. Very well manicured backyard. And check out this awning. It's custom built. I love it. It's great for parties back here. It's nice and clean. There is a shed for you to store your items. There we go. Hey, what's up? Okay, back around. Back inside. Let's go check out the rest of the house. Here we go. There is a whole house fan right up here. It's so cool. Keeps your house cool in the summer. Saves on your electric bill. Here's an updated bathroom. Go around here. We have a bedroom, which is currently being used as a workout room. It's pretty cool. Bedroom number 2. Nice. And we're going to the master bedroom. Very nice and clean house. Let's go back here. Master bath. Large shower area. And back around to the front. So if you're in Lodi or looking to buy in Lodi, come by. Check out this open house. I'll be here from 11 until 2. 2526 Park West in Lodi. Have a great day.